JV this week. We are kicking it off with a team day on Tuesday. Now that we've got our full 3 days a week, we're going to do red light, green light with in-place drills, high knees, butt kicks, single leg jumps, stuff like that. And then we're going to do plank relays, 1 to 2 rounds with the group. So they're going to do the plank crawl under. You can do it for a distance. If we have a big class, go ahead and do it for a certain number of crawl unders. And then dead bug plate stack carry. So we'll have to carry the plates from one side to the other while everybody maintains a dead bug. And then JV Metcon, CrossFit Kids, tic-tac-toe until someone wins. You can only play 3 balls as a team in relay fashion. Once all balls are out, you must bring the med ball back to your team so it can be played again if it ends up being an all-tie game. And then it's just about who can strategize and put their med balls down quickest. Thanks to Eric for that one. Then Thursday, we're going with our weightlifting day. So we're going to do musical med balls to warm up. So that's bear crawl or duck walk around when music turns on and off. And then alternating scorpions, that's on your stomach, kicking the leg up and over, and up downs, grabbing the toes, bringing the hips up into the air, and then pulling yourself into that gorilla deadlift position or the bottom squat position. After that, we're going to do similar to last week's progression, the conga line, but this time we're going to do it with a press progression from CrossFit. So a PVC, a pair of dumbbells, a med ball, and an empty barbell, and you're going to go through 2 to 3 rounds of 5 reps each movement: press, and push jerk, just so everybody gets the implement variation and enough volume to kind of understand what those movements feel like under different load. And then after that, we're going to do a ladder, 7 minutes, as many times through the ladder as possible. And the ladder starts with 15 wall balls, goes to 12 sit-ups, 9 dumbbell push press, 6 burpees over the dumbbell, that can be lateral, and 3 power clean and jerk with the same dumbbells, and then they go back to the top of the ladder. So essentially 15 down to 3 is 1 round, and then they just go cycle through on the 15, 12, 9, 6, 3 for 7 minutes. Last day. Gymnastics specific day, so we're going to do jump and land and plank positions. We're going to warm up with doing junkyard dog warm up, 7 reps for each partner. So that's not only the over and unders, but the around and back arm and leg jumps. And then we're going to do jump and lands. Part 1 is jumping and landing mechanics. Everyone gets their own box. Coach gives them a movement, but not a timer or a rep scheme. So you just say something like right leg step ups only, go. And they have to go as many reps as they can until the coach says no more than 30, 45 seconds, maybe even shorter. Rest 1 to 1 approximately after each movement, 3 to 4 movements. If you go unilateral, just make sure to balance it on both sides. So you could do box jumps, you could do box jumps sideways, you could do jump on and over, you could do jump on and land 90 degrees turned. Really just have fun with it about how they're jumping and how they're landing in different ways. And then after that, we're going to set up the obstacle course, and I'm going to try to sketch this up for those of you who are here for the JV Combine Day. But essentially, it starts on the far side of the gym towards the wall ball, and you go over the box, under the bench. You do that for 3 and 3. Then you come back around to the ropes and the rings, and we set those up for swings to the soft boxes, so kind of like a lily pad swing. That'll be 3 to 4 there. And then they go to the gymnastics mat crawl. We can usually do bear crawl. I did forward rolls one time. And then an agility cone sprint to the finish that finishes through the garage door on the other side. So I'll see if I can sketch that up. If you have any questions, this will be going up in push press soon. Just let me know.